Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to add smooth, professional-looking social sharing buttons to your blog page in Webflow, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to give your readers a super easy way to share your posts on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and more, all without needing to write any custom code from scratch. This can really boost your content's visibility and make your blog look even more polished. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, let's head over to the Webflow marketplace. This is where creators all over the world upload and share their custom-built components like social sharing widgets. To get there, simply open up your browser and search for Webflow Marketplace. Once you're in, look for the section called Made in Webflow. Think of this area as a showcase. It's where you'll find tons of ready-made projects that you can actually clone and use in your own websites. Next, in the search bar at the top, type in Social Share button. This will pull up a bunch of different pre-designed social sharing components. You'll probably notice there are quite a few options with different styles, layouts, and sets of icons. Don't worry about picking the absolute best one on your first try. You can always change your mind later. For now, just select any social share button component that catches your eye. Maybe you want something minimal, or maybe you're after a more colorful style. Click into it to take a closer look. Now comes the magic, the cloning process. You'll see a clone button somewhere near the top right of the page. Go ahead and click that. What this does is instantly create a copy of the selected project inside your own Webflow dashboard. You'll be redirected to your own version of the site where you can freely explore and use any of the elements. It's sort of like copying and pasting someone's beautifully decorated room into your own house, ready for you to rearrange and use however you like. Once you're inside your cloned project, take a peek at the navigator panel on the left. This is basically the blueprint of your project, showing every element in a tidy list. Find the specific social share button you want. Let's say you're just looking for the Facebook button to start with. Click on the icon or the container that holds that button. If you can't spot it right away, hover through the elements until you see it highlight on the main canvas. Now right-click on the panel with your selected social share button and choose Copy. Webflow makes it really easy here. This command will grab the component, along with all its styles and interactions. It's time to bring your new button over to your own blog page. Open up your main site project in Webflow, navigate to the place where you want the social share button to appear, maybe under your blog post title or right at the end of your articles, wherever you think it'll be most useful to your readers. Right-click where you want it and hit Paste. Webflow should drop the social sharing button in, styles and all. Before you finish up, make sure everything looks good by clicking Preview at the top. Have a look at your live page to see how the button fits in with your design. Test it out to make sure it works like you expect. Don't worry if you need to make a few tweaks to the spacing or color so it matches your site's look. And that's it. Now your blog is ready for sharing, and your readers will have a super simple way to spread the word. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions or want to see other Webflow tutorials, just drop a comment below. I always enjoy hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to take your website to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.